Marisha, it is a sign language interpreter now. PS Medical Services Ouma has outlined key hospital reforms aimed at improving healthcare delivery in the country. Speaking at Kenyatta National Hospital, the PS emphasized the government's focus on sustainability, digitization, quality service, and community impact. He noted that despite reforms, the facility continues to face challenges, including a 3 billion shilling budget cut this year, making revenue generation a critical priority. He was at the facility to witness the official handover, where Dr. Richard Lesiampe assumed office as acting CEO, taking over from Dr. Evanson Kamuri after a 6-year tenure.
Kenyatta National Hospital stands as one of the few that can stand the test of time to say services for 125 years without any interruption in spite of all the challenges.
I've been the CEO for the last 6 years. My term is ending in October 15th, so I've been on leave. And then, as you can see, I'm already dressed in a lab coat. I go back to dermatology.
Mine is to come back, not to do anything else, but just to provide the leadership, to allow the employees and the staff of Kenyatta National Hospital to unleash their potential, to provide them an amicable and amiable environment.
We want hospitals such as Kenyatta not just talking to us that there is a lot of mortality because there's late referral. We want Kenyatta to engage with where those referrals are coming from, so that they can train those other hospitals that are not treating patients well, that are referring them to Kenyatta, so that we can change the story at source.
Kirinyaga County Security Committee is on high alert